Let's now tell you what is happening in China. The country is battling the heaviest rainfall in 1,000 years. At least 33 people have lost their lives and many are now feared to be missing. The concerns are growing as rain continues to dump on the central city of Zhengzhou. The city has experienced the equivalent of a year's average rainfall in just 3 days. The city of Zhengzhou is home to around 10 million people and their lives have been upended since the weekend. The catastrophe has disrupted industrial and transport hubs. Trains and flights have either been delayed or cancelled altogether in Henan. Around 200,000 people have been displaced from their homes and over 16,000 people have been rescued. Apart from the Henan province, a 1,800-member team has now been put together from 7 other provinces and they are currently assisting with rescue efforts, food and shelter needs. The PLA Air Force has also sent its soldiers to help with disaster relief measures.
赶赴郑州、洛阳、开封等地执行分洪爆破、抗洪抢险、疏散群众等任务。目前抗洪抢险正在组织进行中，后续我们驻豫部队也做好了参加抗洪抢险的准备。
In Anyang city, residents were evacuated by an excavator and many others were rescued by boats. According to the latest data coming in, more than 73,000 people were being evacuated from the city of Anyang. The region has now been swamped by more than 600 millimeters of rainfall since Monday. Some areas where the downpour has stopped temporarily have launched cleanup operations. Dozens of vehicles were seen in a pile-up, disrupting traffic. The rainfall has forced water to soar over flood season marks in 9 large reservoirs. Several rivers are currently overflowing above their normal mark. Streets and underground rail system remains largely and partially inundated. Nerve-shredding visuals were shared on social media, where trapped passengers struggled with chest-high waters inside a train carriage. At least 12 people were killed in the metro. 5 more were injured and more than 500 were later rescued. Officials had to cut open the roof of the coach to pull people out to safety. Now this comes after coastal cities of South China witnessed this year's 7th typhoon. Typhoon Sempaka brought strong winds and heavy rains with it. Scientists say climate change is worsening flooding around the world. The rainfall are expected to trigger sharp water level rises and flooding over the next 3 days. Beyond World is One is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.